So I'm trying to learn Canva during COVID-19. I'm supposed to look at the camera. That's right. This is interesting. So I'm testing screen recorder. I hope you're all well during this. So if I pause it, look here. Here's one of my favorite photographers, Cindy Sherman. If you don't know who she is, she's amazing. She does all self-portraiture. And she is very well known for her untitled works right here. This is an article that is on MoMA entitled Cindy Sherman, the Museum of Modern Art. And the MoMA stores in New York are temporarily closed. Well, why do you think they're closed? Because nope, not closed because of this, but they're closed because of the COVID virus. I would tell you to listen to this video by Robert Longo.
I'm Robert Longo.
Really good.